I used to tracking work, reading, and other activities with my Mac stopwatch. But every time I hit reset, all of my data disappeared. So I designed a new stopwatch that's working better for me. Now, it not only logs each session, but also let me analyze my data with charts. Plus, I can set timers for specific tasks, like a 1 minute meditation. Once started, it counts down automatically, rings an alarm when time's up, and saves the record. Next, I will walk you through the whole development process, sharing the challenges I faced and what it was like using AI to building this tool. I use an AI tool called V0 to help the coding. First, I will take a few screenshots of the stopwatch, since images, making it easier for V0 to understand what I need. Then input the prompt. Develop the stopwatch feature from the screenshot uploaded and build it as a web page. Attach the screenshot. Hit send. It start coding. It's done. Let me test it out. The basic features are really working. Now it's time to add new ones. To make my needs clear, I put together a simple prototype. I will start with the first page. Add a recent times feature to preserve all the records. In the lab list, include the correct time. Add a navigation bar item labeled stopwatch. Attach the first page. It's done. Let me test it out. Right now, the recorder time only shows up after I hit reset. I want to simplify this. Type by default, recent times, name, lab time, and correct time are displayed. I also designed a default layout, making updates. It's done. Let me test it out. The recent times feature is added now, but the flow still feels a bit too complicated. I want to remove the section above and save each time recorded on the recent times. Take a screenshot of the error I want to remove. I will send this to V0 so it can better understand what I need. Remove the module below the button, but keep recent times. Click the stop button to create a lap in recent times. Each time you click the lap button, a new lap is added to recent times. Hit send. The section has been removed. But when I click reset, it deleted all of the data. I needed to make some more changes. Reset should only bring the countdown back to 0. It shouldn't affect the time recorders in recent times. Everything looks good now. I will add a delete button to remove unnecessary data. Time recorders in recent times should be deletable, please add a delete button. The delete button has been added. Next, I will design a second page. Add a data analysis button to the left of the recent times section that, when clicked, navigates to the data analysis page. On the data analysis page, display a table that dynamically analyzes the data in recent times. I didn't include my prototype earlier, so the generated interface isn't quite what I want. Here I can just update the prompt and add my prototype. My prototype is now added. Click Submit. Error message. Not sure what this error message means. I will click Fix with V0 and see if it works. It's fixed. The data analysis page also shows an error message. Keep fix it. Let me take it off. It's fixed. And I need to update the analysis page like my prototype and display the time data in charts. Update the data analysis page to display the receipt times data as a P charts. Add my prototype. Still an error message. Keep fix it. Finally, it's all good. Next, I need the names of the times to be editable. Currently, lab names cannot be edited. I need the ability to edit those names. Now I can edit the names. Nice, the names on the analysis page are updated too. The UI is still a bit rough. Optimize the UI with a uniform color scheme, consistent fonts, and cohesive design elements, ensuring a clean and easy to navigate layout. UI has been updated. Looks great. Next, I want to add a center time feature. Add a center time button on the right side of the navigation bar. When clicked, a pop-up should appear that allows user to select a time, hours, minutes, seconds, and enter a name for it. Finally, include the create and cancel buttons. The UI is in place, but the functionality isn't added yet. input. After setting the time, the countdown should start based on the specified duration, and the time data should be logged in recent times. Now the functionality is added too. Keep going. After the countdown ends, play the desolated sound to alert the user. Attach the alarm sound. After the countdown ends, a pop-up should notify the user. The reminder will dismiss when the user clicks the stop button. I made some changes to the features and interactions, such as during the countdown, only a cancel button should be displayed. When the user clicks it, the countdown will be cancelled. Attach the screenshot. When setting the time, use the name provided in the pop-up. If none is given, default to countdown. Editing name should be easier. The creator process is too complicated. Last one, add a dark mode. It's all done. It can also be shared and deployed with one click. This whole process amazed me. I didn't need to writing or understand any code. I just described what I want and it's work. But I didn't learn that being patient and using images helps visually understand my needs better. Thanks for watching. If you have any question or a better way to do this, drop a comment. Subscribe to my channel and let's explore the AI together. See you next time.